Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Assalamu alaikum. We were building a little bit of small apps. I wanted to show that and continue with that one as well. So just wanted to talk about, in native, one of those large language model, how can we build a simple app that can run actually locally in my machine. One of the apps that I was having problem with is the image resizing. Sometimes you have an image like of yourself, and that image could be something that we like to resize because people have a limit, like 100 meg is the limit of it, and the image might be much larger than that. So why don't we do these things, and I'm gonna build it because it's a native native Gen AI tool. Why don't we try, let's say we have been working on ChatGPT, why don't we try with Claude? Okay, let's go to Claude. Okay, I'm gonna open up, and let's say we want to build an image resizer to locally. I was trying to do that, and a lot of time it installs something, it gives you ads and such. This is a small application. Why don't I use it? It's kind of like a tool type application. I've chosen Opus 4.1. I've noticed that it is available for me. So to build an image resizer tool running locally in the browser of MacBook Pro. This should be able to take any image and in any format and output to JPEG or PNG format in a new size. Okay, so let's build this. Again, if you can notice, I've not provided enough information to it. I could have done some voice prompt. I started to like that voice prompting quite a bit, but let's see what it is doing. Okay, it actually accept image. Okay, so what is it doing? The user wants to build an image resizer run locally in the browser on a MacBook Pro. This should accept any image format, resize the image, output to JPEG or PNG format, run entirely client-side locally in browser. And this is a great use case for HTML, artifact, JavaScript. I will create a single file, HTML. Okay, let's see how does it do. And again, simple, easy, something we have to use. And I'm gonna see how Opus 4.1 actually performed in this particular case. We're looking at it. Looks like that it's just an HTML file. It's not really an application per se. It's just a browser, possibly browser-based app, and is going. But it looks like it's going. It's a long file. I could have made an application, kind of like microservices, build locally, run locally using Python and local build. That could be done. Maybe that's something that we'll do next. And some of the small stuff that we need to build. Let's see what it did. Is resize image. Okay, it has a canvas. Wow. So this looks like it's ready. So we used Opus. Let's upload and drag and drop. Let's say I'm gonna take some. Where are my images? Desktop images. Okay, let me just make it icon. So look at some of the images and pick one. Maybe not in desktop. I may have, why don't I go to my Google Photos and download some image. I'm gonna go to my headshots and download image from a headshot. Let's say this one. I will download it. I was actually in Pune in the hotel. They had a very nice swimming pool. That's where I was. And so I have downloaded that image. Let's look into the size of it. Go to my downloads folder. So this is 2.2 meg. I wanted to make it, let's say 200. No, 2.2 meg is not really big. Give me 1 second. I am gonna go to let me see if there is any image that is very large in size. Chris headshots, 13 megabyte of file. Let me see, what is this one? 8 megabyte. Let me see, what is this? Okay, this is one of my image. Again, it's about 8 meg. I'm gonna bring it down to 200 megabyte. So let's put this on the side. Let me go back to Claude. Let me see if I can do actually drag and drop. Oh yeah, I can do drag and drop. So I did that original image. This is the size and 8 meg. Okay, so let's make it okay, I can pick and choose anything I want. Let's say 500 by 333. Okay, keep the aspect ratio. I want to do a PNG file, and let's see if I can download. So one thing that I don't see is actually pick the size, a potential size. Okay, I'm gonna resize it. Okay, let me just go back to it. Powerful browser. Oh, it didn't actually work. Did it work? I don't know. It just oh, I'm gonna publish it. Oh, that's just giving it to other people. Let's run this locally. I've created a powerful image universal format. Okay, it does it. I'll help you run that image locally in your MacBook Pro. Since it's a self-contained HTML file, you can run it directly from our file system. Okay, so it's desktop image resizer HTML. Okay, so let's just get to that folder. So I got this locally. I'm gonna do it. I'm running locally right now, and I can drag and drop. Give me a second. Take this one and drag and drop. I see the file. This looks like this is the one. I'm gonna keep 500 by 500. Okay, so because it's keeping the aspect ratio, so it's converting to 500 by 333. Make it PNG, or it gives me an ability to choose. Let's say I'm gonna choose 80%. I will resize and download it. Now it did resized one, and it's only 24 kilobyte, and I have it. That's really good. I was having such a hard time to do this thing. It is unbelievable, and it's done locally. This simple stuff can make your life so easy. This is unbelievable. So we can have that image resizer locally built by Claude very quickly. I didn't even go to any vibe coding, and run as just a simple HTML file, and that can do all the functions, exactly what I need. And it can do JPEG, PNG, and maybe I can start adding more features, remove background, allow me to crop function, some other things. But you can do so many other things. So with that, build something amazing, build something positive, and make a difference. and I want to thank all of you to listening to me. And this is gonna be fun building these things. Okay. Again, what we have done, we went to Claude. We used Claude this time. Used Opus 4.1. Build and created that prompt and build that application. With that, thank you very much. I really appreciate it.